Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make fortune tellers. The tools you need today are scissors, and that's it. And maybe a pencil if you want to write in the fortune teller. So first, you fold it until it touches this. And then after that, you take your scissors and you cut it right here. We don't need the extra paper. After that, you open it up and then you fold it again. After that, you open it up again and then turn it around. And then you fold it like a paper airplane. After this step, you turn it over again and do the same thing. And then you fold it like this. You open it again and then fold it the other way. And after that, keep folding it until you can put your fingers in these holes. And there. You have your fortune teller. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and turn on the notifications. Thank you.